I'm going to show you how you can play Hollow Knight in Android. Now, your option will be either to stream it, or you can also use a Switch emulator, but you will need to have a pretty beefy phone if you want to use a Switch emulator on your phone, especially. So I'm just going to focus on how you can stream the game, right? So there's a couple of options how you can stream Hollow Knight onto your phone. The first way is that you can use an external service like GeForce Now. They do have Hollow Knight on one of their game selection here. Yeah, you can see Hollow Knight. They do have a selection here on GeForce Now. But that means, of course, you do need to pay for a GeForce Now subscription, which isn't cheap. So I'm going to show you an alternative. So if you're on Steam and you already own Hollow Knight, you can stream it onto your phone, right? So the way you do that is that you go to the library here and then pick the game you want to stream, in which case is Hollow Knight. But for me, I don't own Hollow Knight, so I'm just going to take an example with this game right now, moving out. If you want to stream it onto mobile or play it from mobile, you just have to click on this arrow here and you just have to tap on play on a mobile device. Play this game on your phone or tablet with the Steam Link app. If you click on this, you can see it'll show up like this, right? So here's how it works. You need to install the Steam Link app on the device you want to play on, open the Steam Link app and securely connect to your phone. You need to scan the QR code right there and then just play your game on mobile, as easy as that.